What up, hero? It's Rasta. I'm here to share with you how to boost your YouTube videos through paid ads. Okay, so I'm on the YouTube Studio page right now on the desktop, and as you look on the left, I'm under the content tab, right? So the first and most important things you want to know is that here's the cost right here, right? I use this strategy to get more subscribers, and those are the amount of subscribers I got from paying that cost, just to give you an idea. So the first thing you do, click on the promotion tab, right? It asks you what's your main goal, right? You see audience growth. That's the one I normally go with for more subscribers. You click next, right? Then it tells you to select the video that you want to boost. So you go through here, found this video, boom, this is my latest video. It gives you a preview of what the ad will look like when other people are searching and it pop up, right? So you click next, then it asks you who you're targeting. Don't know why I say Australia and South Africa, right? Put USA in there. Uh, nope. Okay. Nope. Okay. Scroll down there. It's somewhere. All right. Got it. Yep. Then you click next, and then it asks you your total budget, right? And then how long you want the ad to run for. That's pretty much it. Then you will click promote, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not promoting right now. Exit and pay attention to the status tab, and it would say active. And that's pretty much it.